Want another one? Is that yummy? Let's pick it up. Here we go. Try it again. Here we go. Is it good? Yeah. You like those? Hi. Is it yummy? You want another one? Oh, you like them a lot, huh? Huh? You like those a lot, yeah? Are they yummy? Oh, you do like them a lot, huh? You see Penelope, huh? Are you ready for another piece? Huh? Hey, are you ready for another piece? There you go. Handsome boy. Good, huh? That's so yummy. You like them, huh? This is the first time you've actually eaten and liked solid food, huh? See, we've tried rice cereal and applesauce, and you're not so crazy about it so far, huh? Here you go. You want one more? Oh, you're a little anxious. Here you go. There you go. You got it? Not my finger, just the star. Just a little puff. Is that good? What do you think? Is it good? Huh? Yeah. Are you quiet? You are so quiet, aren't you? Oh, you want another one, huh? Oh, you like these a lot. We're going to have people bring these for you because we can't get them here, can we? No, Gerber doesn't make these overseas. Huh. Is that your sister? Yeah. Okay, we'll give you one more and then we're going to end the show. 3 minutes of you eating puffs is probably enough for most people, huh? It's not enough for me. Apparently not enough for you either, huh? Here we go. Oh. Here, finish this one. Here you go. You're so sweet. Look how cute you are. You're adorable, aren't you? Yeah. You got drool on your chin, don't you? Huh? Did you like those? Did you like those? Oh. We'll give you one more because you're just so adorable, and then we'll give you your wooden spoon, okay? Here you go. You got it? You are adorable. I can't stand how cute you are. Huh. Good boy eating your stars. Yeah. Yeah. You sweet boy. Huh. Yeah, let me get your spoon. Let me get your spoon. There you go. Alright, we can't fill you up on too many of these little puffs because it's going to be bottle time soon, huh? Yeah. Alright, say bye everybody. I got my spoon now. Okay. Bye-bye.